Hello everyone, I'm here standing in front of 4922 on Cedar Avenue. It is between 49th Street there and 50 over there. It's a tree-lined beautiful neighborhood or block. You are only a couple of blocks from Baltimore Avenue. All universities like Pennsylvania University or Drexel University. Even Center City is not that far from here. So I'm here to show you a two bedroom unit, a 2 bed and 1 bath unit on the second floor inside 4922 Cedar Avenue. This is what the outside looks like. The outside you have this beautiful gardens, flowers, and also you have place for your gardening. As you could see, it's just beautiful sidewalk, tree on every direction. Here is the space. You have the step here. Then you have a porch, a common space for everybody. I'm sorry, almost full here. So this one is unit 1. I'm going to show you a unit 2, which is a second floor unit. The mailbox for unit 2 is here. So as you open, this is the common space. Common space here. Then here on my right, you have the unit. Let's open and get inside. Unit 2, as you could see. Here you go. As I get in, the first place you see is on your right is kitchen. On your left, you have your bedrooms, your bathroom. And let's start from the kitchen and living area. As you could see, in the kitchen, you have these modern appliances. A gas oven, built-in microwave, a refrigerator, upgraded countertop. You also have a nice dishwasher here, a garbage disposal, a window for a natural light, backsplash, as you could see. This is the kitchen. On my right, from the kitchen, you have a nice closet space for storage. It's big here. You also have an working fireplace. It's a place for your TV maybe. You will be looking to the Cedar Avenue. I was out there earlier. Over there, you have, as you could see, 3 front windows. The place gets a lot of natural light here. This is what the unit looks like from this angle. I mean, the living room looks like from this angle. Nice cabinet space. You have an island here with additional cabinet space on this side. So after saying this much for the living space and the kitchen area, go to the second room we find, and it's a bathroom. As you can see, it has a beautiful tile floor, nice vanity, a toilet. On this side, you have this beautiful bathtub and shower combo. Nice space. It's a big bathroom here. When you go out, one thing I didn't mention when I came to the unit, as you could see, the place has a beautiful hardwood wood floor and also very high ceiling. Next, going in, you have your stocked up laundry machine, washing machine, and dryer. Then you have the first bedroom, the smaller one. This bedroom, I say smaller compared to the other one, but this is a big bedroom by itself. This is nice bedroom with 2 windows for a natural light. As you could see, I didn't turn on any light. The place gets a lot of natural light here, plenty of windows. This is the closet space for the guest bedroom or for a smaller bedroom. This is a space. You could have a king bed here. The next one is the primary bedroom, which is located to the back of the building. Huge. Let me close the door. That way you will see the space. This is huge. You have this beautiful hardwood floor and a high ceiling. The place comes with central heat and air, so it's comfortable. As you could see, the primary bedroom has plenty of windows for a natural light. You'll be looking out to the back of the building. There is a patio out there, as you could see. This is the bedroom. The last item I would like to show you is the closet you have in your primary bedroom. It's big in size. There you go. Two-door closet. All right. I just showed you Unit 2 of 4922 Cedar Avenue. I hope you like the video. I hope you like the unit. Thank you for watching. Bye.